Hi, long time no see. Just been MIA. So today I'll be doing my 5-minute makeup tutorial every day, natural. Just want to put a disclaimer here. It's 5 minutes if I rush through it, but obviously I'll be talking through this and all like the steps and stuff. So we'll probably be closer to like 15 minutes if I'm going to be honest. I just washed my face and to prevent it from drying out, I just sprayed it with some Badescu Rosewater spray. I love this stuff. So I don't usually use primer, but it'll make sense in all the steps I have. So this is the Smashbox Primerizer, which is a primer and a moisturiser in one. Obviously it literally just says on the bottle. I use this as my first thing just because I mix my foundation with my SPF and my moisturiser. So I can't exactly put that in that mix. I hope that makes sense. I'm sorry. So I usually go with 1 pump of this if I'm just doing my everyday makeup, and 2 pumps if I'm just wearing heavier foundation or something. I've been wearing this for about a month and I would say it's kept my skin pretty hydrated. Usually throughout the day I get dry like around my nose or in between my eyebrows, and I feel like since I've been using that it hasn't done that, so that's great. So now that's kind of absorbed into the skin, I'm going to go in with my combo of stuff for my face. So first I usually get some of this. It's just a simple hydrating moisturiser. So I get about that much. SPF, oh my god, so important. So many people that I know do not wear sunscreen on a day-to-day basis. And it is so important and so easy to just like incorporate into your everyday routine, because obviously I would think most people would moisturize their face, so either replace it with a SPF or add it in. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's so easy. And enough of that. I just get like a pump of this and then a pump of that. And then the foundation I've been using is this. Look how empty this is. This must be the first time I've finished a foundation. This is the EX1 Invisiwear Foundation. It's great, and I take about, depending on how much coverage I want in a day, but usually about half a pump, I reckon. I don't even know if you can see that, but that's the concoction that I use every single day. So I just mix that together and yeah, just put it all over my face. I mostly focus it on my cheeks because I get redness. Next up I do my, this is so weird, like talking, forget I said anything. Brows I've pretty much stopped filling in because I think I've just gotten lazy. I've just stopped like plucking them as often. I haven't gone to get them done anywhere in like a couple of years. I'll insert a picture of what my brows looked like the last time I got them done, and so I was traumatized and never did them again. I'll insert it right here. So yeah, after that incident I never got my brows done again, and I basically let them grow out. Like here I used to like pluck all of those, like those ones. It just used to be a lot cleaner, but this is the new look now. If I am filling them in, the only parts I'll actually fill in is just like this area there. There's like a tiny bit like right there. Literally just that. Did that do anything? I don't know. It's like this like tiny gap kind of situation. Zoom in. Wow, so close to my face. Oh my god, I've already been filming for 12 minutes. This is ridiculous. So literally just filling in there. Yeah, that's it. Cool. Moving on, next step is mascara. I recently repurchased L'Oreal Telescopic and I feel like either my tastes have changed or L'Oreal Telescopic has changed, because I don't like this anymore. I was using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, which was good, but it dried out. So now I just kind of use the brush in combination with this. Let me just show you. I take this out and I leave it on the side to kind of dry out, I guess, because it's like a really wet mascara. So, I mean, I don't know if it does anything. So just curling my lashes. And I'll kind of just like do literally a couple of swipes of this. Oh my god, the lighting. Sun! So I'll do a couple of swipes just to kind of coat my lashes. Yep, you can see how crappy that looks. And then I'll get the Too Faced mascara wand and get a tissue and just kind of like get off the excess. And then brush through with this mascara. And then because I'm super messy, so I get the cotton bud and I just wipe away all the stuff that I got on my eyelids. Let me just quickly do my other eye. The reason I do a mascara and eyebrows first is sometimes whatever product I'm using flakes down onto here, and because I don't set my concealer, it sticks to the concealer, and you know. So concealer, I'm still using, whoa, lighting. Next one, so next, oh my god, why can't I speak? The concealer I'm using is the same one that I've been using for years, Bobbi Brown Tinted Eye Brightener, which they've discontinued, and the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. So I just put the orange one in the dark spot, like that. Dark spot right there, because I have some lovely dark circles under my eye. And then I put this one kind of like directly underneath in like a that shade, like this. And if I'm feeling a little bit extra, I'll put some right here and sometimes right here. I don't know why, it doesn't do anything. So then I get my brush. This is the only brush, yeah, the only brush I use for my makeup. I like to just mostly use my hands and my fingers. So, oh wow, that was great. Blend that in on the chin. Did it do anything? Definitely not. And then on my lip. Then I get my ring finger and pat this in. I kind of like mix it as I go. I kind of pat it in and like bring it all the way up to the edge of my eye, and I kind of bring it up into the inner part here because I also have a little bit of darkness there, and just kind of keep tapping. And I guess I just like this better because it's easier, and also my finger just like warms up the product a little bit better. It leaves kind of like a demarcation kind of here, which I will fix in the next step. Concealer on. So next I get my foundation, which is a slightly a bit dark than Lancome foundation. And I get my finger and I put a little pump, not even a full pump, like that. And then I put it on my other finger. This is super technical, guys. Other finger, and then stripe and stripe. Cool. And then if I have any left over, which I usually don't, just kind of like rub it there. I get my brush and kind of like blend that there, bring it up a little bit, kind of just spread it out, blend it down here, and then kind of blend it last into my actual, like the center of my face. And then I kind of bring it up. This, I just realized how, like, just explaining this makes me realize how weird my routine is. My so-called tutorial. Anyway, so I kind of bring that up and like join that in, and so that blends in this part here. Also adds a bit of bronzer to my nose, and then I also kind of like blend it in, I guess, with the concealer that I had here, if that makes any sense. And yeah, so then I just do the other side. And then taking whatever's left on my chin and my jaw, making sure that I blended in like the concealer right there. So next, the sun just went away again. If I am doing my makeup on the go, so if I it's 3 o'clock. If I'm doing my makeup on the go, which is a very common occurrence because I'm always in a rush, I, instead of taking like this glass bottle foundation, I take the Fenty matchsticks, and this is the colour Mocha. I kind of, I don't draw it on just because I feel like it takes off stuff underneath. I kind of like rub it all on my hand and then use a brush and then like kind of thing, which works really well, and you know, it's just easy for traveling. Next, blush. Blush wasn't a thing that I was into until I went to Japan and my friend did blush on me really well. However, because powder seems a little bit too hard for me, I don't know, I just can't get the placement right with powder. Anyway, so I have this, which is a Models Prefer Moisture Lust lip tint. I didn't want to buy like a cream blush because they're expensive, so I was like, why don't I just buy a super cheap lip tint. That's the colour. It's like a deep rose, I guess. Get my trusty brush and I kind of just do that, and I got some there, you can see, and I kind of just put that where I think blush might go, and I feel like it just gives like a nice to the face, you know. Last step, highlighter, Colourpop, Wisp. Because this is like a everyday type of makeup, I don't go overboard. Just a little bit of a glow, you know. I kind of just put that directly on my cheekbone and then use my other finger to kind of blend it in with the rest of my makeup. A little bit on my brow bone. Yeah, whatever's left over, I kind of just put that in the usual spots. So next I have my brow gel, the Maybelline Brow Drama. So if I put this on and I put highlighter on, it would just stick to the brow. So I kind of just do this last. That's it for makeup. And then I will spray some of this, depending on how my skin's feeling, but let me just do it now. The spray on this isn't amazing, so it does leave a little bit of dots and stuff, but that can be easily fixed with the trusty brush. I kind of just like pat that around. And that is the final look. Oh yeah, I'll do a close-up. But yeah, that's my look. I hope you learnt something, because that would be cool, I guess. If you take one thing away from this video, just let it be the fact that you need to wear SPF. Please, it's so important. Okay, cool. Subscribe for more videos, maybe. Don't hold me to that. Follow me on Instagram. I feel like I've been putting more effort I've been putting more effort to post things on Instagram, so you should definitely follow me there. It's MyEclecticLife. See what I did there? But not exactly that. There's full stops in between. You know what? I'll just put it here. Yeah. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.